Well, there goes the tree. This is the former Lounge 44 in Taunton on Winthrop Street. And there's Bob Bastis, the captain with the fire department. He bought this building recently. It used to be a bar and a rooming house upstairs. And as I stand here, you can see them lower this tree into a wood chipper. They pulled this tree out from behind the building. You can't see it from the street, but there's a courtyard area in the back. It's overgrown. It's right on this narrow area of the Mill River. Yep. So I'm gonna come around. This was an eyesore for many years, and when it was open, it was a problem for police. There's the Mill River. That's a tall crane, huh? There it goes. Goodbye, tree.